Here's an Osterizer blender, and the fuse went in it. And here's the fuse. It's an inline fuse, and if I could point right in the middle here, right in the middle there's a little wire that acts as the fuse, and it burnt. This, I'm zooming in as close as I can see. There's no wire in the middle, so it's burnt. So, and here's the wire, and here's the other piece that I cut in half. That's where the fuse goes in. So I went to the parts store and I got myself a inline fuse holder, and I got some 5-amp fuses. This machine calls for 4.2 amps is what it draws. So that's where we're going to mount into the line, because it's impossible to find this that fuse. I'm going to strip these two wires. Maybe I'll give it a little bit more here. There's one. Neat kind of strippers that actually work. Oop. Adjust the camera. And this fuse holder, well, you have to cut it in half. There. And I'll strip this side. And this one here. Got it all soldered up. I'm going to tape it up. So I just tied them back a bit with wire ties. Just putting an orange peel and some water in. Try it out. I just keep it going a bit more, see what happens. Okay. Oh, we got a telephone ringing in the video.